Okay. We are
Whatever we do,
just starting now. Hey?
whatever you do, can't let us go backwards, okay?
No, we're not going backwards, we're going
No matter,
all the way up, no matter what.
no matter how much I moan.
No, guys, you heard this on the video, no matter how much you moan, we can't go backwards. We have to get to that top so we can see that beautiful view, get some drone shots, because I haven't done drone shots on this place before. But yeah, we'll see you guys when we get halfway. Almost there, but almost there. Another, how much steps is it? 1,300 to go. So, and this is only the 200 step. So, wish us luck.
Wow. 2 hours.
Look over here. Halfway, baby. Let's go, G. Give me some. Give me some. Whew. Man doesn't even care if the seat's wet. But look at this beautiful sight. Alright, had a bit of a break. Now we're just, the halfway's done and dusted. We've got another half to go, but we'll see you guys up there when we get there, and I'll tell you. It doesn't look dark on the camera, but it's pretty dark, eh? Hopefully it don't get too dark while we're coming down. But yeah, we'll see you guys up there. Yeah. Oh, guys, I feel stuffed. We made it up. Anyway, we have made it, and it's getting night out. Oh, I'll tell you, man, it's challenging. If you guys ever want to come do this, Hakari Matia's Narawahia. If you're in New Zealand, man, this is just day one. I think we're gonna make this a daily thing now. Probably twice a week. Just to get rid of this chubbiness and this belly. But guys, we made it. It was challenging, I'll tell you. I've got some beautiful signs that go into the stairs. I'll show them up. I'll show them up during the videos, probably in the beginning of the video. But yeah, very inspirational quotes from other people. Yeah, man, it was challenging, I'll tell you. It took us about an hour and 10 minutes to get up here, and that's just the top. But then we got to go all the way back down My brother's the video ahead, he just walked ahead. I just want to tell you guys it was an amazing walk, and definitely had fun. There was times where, you know, I was like gonna give up, but I'm glad I had the brother here, and vice versa, just trying to hype each other up and motivate ourselves. And that's what you guys need to do too, especially your small channels. If you feel like giving up, I'm always here to try and motivate you, hype you guys up, and I'm carrying on doing YouTube for, you know, you never know, it could be a living for you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna show you a bit of footage when we get up there anyway. I'm gonna do a bit of a cinematic footage up there. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Please smash that like button. If we could get, I'll make a goal, if we could get 20 likes on this video, we'll go up again, and this time we'll try to beat our goal, because you guys will be motivating me and my brother. So smash that, let's get 20 likes on this video, and we'll go up again and do some more video when it's sunny as well, because it's raining. But I like it when it's raining because it's not hot, it's muggy but not as hot. But yeah, this is the top here. Oh my gosh. So come all the way up there, we'll go up there. Hopefully it's alright for the drone footage, but if not, if we can't get any drone footage, I apologize. But yeah, smash that like button. 20 likes guys on this video, and we'll do a part 2, or we might be going up another mountain and we'll try to live stream that as well. Whew. All right guys, see you up there. Made it. Yeah, not much of a view, but when it's all clear, you can see the whole of RaAW here. But yeah, 20 likes guys, and we'll smash this again when it's sunny.